Good morning, friends. Today I am coming with DNN live chat with Chompy modules. Before start the installation process, I will explain what is the features of this module. This is the feature of DNN live chat with Jumping modules. DNN live chat with Jumping module allow to live chat with administrator user through the www.jumping.com third party tool. For that you need an account in Jumping which used to configure the module setting. You can add the Jumping script code in the setting section of the modules. Now we are going to the installation process of this module. To go ahead with the DNN live chat with Jumping module, please install module in your DNN site. Download the copy module and zip file into the local computer. Log in to your website host panel and select the setting and then select the extension. Now click on install extension and in upload extension package drag and drop the zip file, else click to browse the module zip location. Select the module zip. I have installed in DNN package. Go. I have a login with administrator user super user account. Open the extension. Install extension. Here drag or upload a file. I will click. Okay. This is the installation file. Just upload the file. Once upload is completed, click on next. Click on next. Next. Accept license term and condition. Next. Done. Plugin is installed in your DNN site. See, you can see the live chat Jumping modules. Your module is installed. Click on done and use the module on any page you want. Now we are the configuration section of the module. Once a DNN module is installed, once DNN live chat module is installed, you are ready to use the setup configuration. Now follow the step to know the working of DNN live chat with Jumping module. Go to any page and click on edit icon and the left vertical band pen and page will open in edit mode. Then add the module where you want. Generally you can add the module in header section or footer section. If you want to use live chat in all page, so it will be available in all page. Once the module is placed to desired pane, open the setting section of module and add the Jumping script code. Then it will show the Jumping live chat. I have seen. I have opened one page. Then open the edit section. I have open the edit section. Just click on add module, search live chat Zompin module, click and add where you want to add it. It is better if you add it on I have added it on here footer section. Now just open the setting section of module and open the live chat. Here you need to add the script code which is provided by the Zompin. You can find here. You can once you create the account, once you create the account in Zompin and log in, you can see the home page. In that you just need to click on widget. It will show the script. Just copy and here paste and update the setting. See here you can find the Zompin live chat. I will close the edit section so it will show proper. See contact, chat with us. If you have any require further assistance or have any question, feel free to contact us. Thank you.